Hi guys, a very good afternoon. Maswera say. Mai Mnangagwa was refused entry to the United States of America to participate in the UN Women's Conference. She was scheduled to speak at a side event on March 18, but had her daughter-in-law, Leah Travis Mnangagwa, who is married to Emerson Jr., read her speech instead. The visa snub has fueled speculation that the United States was getting even after 4 officials from its development agency, USAID, were detained and kicked out of the country last month, accused of spying. So this is Mai Mnangagwa. She was supposed to attend a women's conference, United Nations Women's Conference, and as the First Lady, she was supposed to be there, but she was denied access to the United States of America. So remember, I believe that she is one of the people, very key people, who are on targeted sanctions which were put in place by the United States of America these past weeks. And this is what is happening. United States of America accused the Zimbabwean government of failing to obey diplomatic relations when they chased out USAID agents, and they were calling them spies. So Mai Mnangagwa then, in retaliation, was denied entry into the United States of America. However, the daughter-in-law, Leah, who is right here in the picture, this is Leah. I think this was the wedding between Emerson Jr. and Leah, and she's in this picture. And this is another picture. Leah is featuring in most events which are happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Other sources and other people are saying she is being prepared to take over as the new first lady after she lives together with her husband. So there is speculation that Emerson Jr. is being prepared to take over from Idi Mnangagwa, and you know, that is the reason why they want to have an extension up to 2030, so that they can facilitate all these issues and all these things. So I believe that we need to do a video about this whole issue, and so that you get to understand what is really happening. So provide every detail about these succession issues, and you know, it will be very interesting issues. But they hate the US. They hate the US and European countries, yet they enjoy traveling to these places. And lucky the daughter-in-law is still off the radar of corruption. And New York isn't the kingdom of heaven. No regrets. She'll be just fine traveling to friendly countries. But remember, UN conferences, they are usually held in USA, which means the Mnangagwa family will have more trouble when they need to access the USA. So will she be able to travel together with the husband when the time comes for the husband to attend United Nations summits? What will happen? What will happen if she's not given the visa? Because she's a first lady, that is a privilege she does have, and she was supposed to be there despite her being on the sanctions list, but she was denied. What changed? So this is very important to understand in Zimbabwe, that United States of America is actually tightening the noose on those in leadership in the nation of Zimbabwe. But we'll continue to watch and see how this is going to end.